Want to create TikTok Shop affiliate videos that actually grab attention and drive sales without showing your face? Let's dive in. First, head over to ChatGPT and brainstorm some engaging hook ideas related to your chosen product. For example, if you are doing a hair product, type in something like 5 catchy TikTok hooks for a hair thickening spray. Use the best hook. Next, take that winning hook and expand it into a short, persuasive script. Add a compelling reason why viewers need this product. Then, paste this script into a text-to-speech program like MURF.a or Wellsaid Labs, choosing a natural-sounding voice. Now, find high-quality, royalty-free stock footage that visually represents your script. If you're selling hair product, search for keywords like healthy hair, hair transformation, or hair care routine on sites like Pexels or Storyblocks. Download a few different clips. Open CapCut on your computer. Import your stock footage, audio file, and any product images you want to include. Arrange the footage on the timeline to match the rhythm of your voiceover. Add the hook and the compelling reason as a text overlay. Use engaging animations and keep the text large and easy to read. Make sure it's timed perfectly with your voiceover, emphasizing key benefits. Sprinkle in some sound effects to add punch. Use sounds like whooshes for transitions or clicks when the product appears on screen. Finally, add a clear call to action like Shop Now or link in bio. Use an arrow pointing to where your TikTok Shop link will appear. Export your video in high quality and upload it to TikTok.